man, what's up, so Kevin?
Hello and welcome to Ghost Sabotage here once again, and welcome to Liverpool Pride. Now, I was expecting to film a lot more than this single video, but since it was raining, wasn't really much in the way of anything really. So yeah, just quite a random stuff. There's quite a few people with some nice makeup effects and stuff and whatnot, and people dressed up and whatnot. This one to the right really was grooving to the music, and that's one heck of a dress, I'd tell you that much. Yeah, I like that guy's back, and especially that guy there in the unicorn outfit. Anyway, so yes, it's quite elaborate really. Yes, indeed. Wish it wasn't raining as much. That band was I don't know who they were. So about another time later on, but didn't really. And technically I did record it, but didn't think I would put it in. And I do like that pub going all the way with the rainbow. Yeah, upper levels. Yes. And there was what's it called? A few live bands, stages and such. I like that guy's outfit, and that's one heck of a colourful outfit that guy has, girl or whatever. Yes, there's definitely quite a few people in drag. Oh, I like that guy's cat outfit. And of course there's some green guy. Yes. And of course some warm beverages. Yeah, there's a bunch of food court or place. Definitely wasn't as it's expansive or anything like that. Wish it was. Wish it wasn't raining either. Yeah, more close up view of the guy, and I do like this wall painting. I believe it was there. Been there for years. Anyway, until next time, ladies and gentlemen, tally ho.